Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the app itself. Open Prequel and go straight to Export or Account Settings to see whether a watermark toggle exists. You want to confirm whether you're on a free, trial, or premium plan so you know what features are available. Once done, note export format and resolution. Some watermark options are tied to file type or size. This saves time, because if an official disable exists, that's the proper and legal route to remove the watermark. Next, pursue authorized removal methods. Upgrade to Prequel Premium or buy the in-app Remove Watermark option if available. You should verify the purchase receipt and make sure the app is signed into the same account so the change applies to exports. This resolves most issues. If you represent a brand, request a business license or volume plan. And if something fails, contact Prequel support with order details. They can apply fixes or issue refunds. These routes respect terms and avoid risks. To finish, sign out and back in, then re-export to confirm the watermark is gone. Clearing cache or reinstalling the app can force updated entitlement checks. If you still see a watermark and need a harmless workaround, reframe or crop the shot to keep branding out of the final frame, but only for personal or licensed use. Make sure you keep purchase receipts and screenshots. Should problems persist, supply those to support for faster resolution, and avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.